Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming file format and account access, then open the project in Canva. Once uploaded, drag your video onto the canvas so it appears in the timeline. This immediately enables editing. Make sure the video layer is selected. You'll see handles and a top toolbar. From here, click the audio icon or timeline to inspect the clip's sound. Doing this now avoids wasted steps later and prepares you for direct mute or audio extraction actions. Now you'll choose whether to mute or separate the audio for finer control. Click the video to reveal the volume icon. Drag the slider to 0% if you want silence instantly. If you need the audio file for later, click Extract Audio. Canva will create a separate audio track. Once extracted, the sound shows up below or in Uploads. You can trim, replace, or delete it independently. Make sure to name or move the audio so it's easy to manage across scenes. Finish by previewing the full video to confirm the audio is removed or the detached track edited as intended. Once satisfied, click Share Download, choose MP4 and quality, then export. If you still hear sound, check for multiple overlapping video layers and ensure any extracted audio tracks are muted or deleted. If issues persist, refresh Canva, clear your browser cache, or re-upload the source file. These steps fix most syncing or caching problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.